Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission.
Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission. Data connection established.
Hello guys. Welcome to code.py. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I'm gonna show you how to code Armstrong number identifier using Python. First of all, I wanna give you an idea of Armstrong number. An Armstrong number is a positive m-digit number, that is equal to the sum of the mth powers of their digits. For example, 153 is a 3-digit number. So if it is an Armstrong number, it should be equal to the sum of the digits raised to the power 3, that is, 153 is equal to 1 raised to the power 3 plus, 5 raised to the power 3 plus, 3 raised to the power 3, where, the power which is raised is the number of digits in the number. Now let's start coding. Done. This is the code of Armstrong number identifier. Let's check whether it works or not. I have some example of Armstrong numbers. These are 0, 1, 153, 371, 54,748, etc. Let's run the code. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please do like and share the video, and also please subscribe the channel, so that you can view my all videos. Goodbye.